welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Microwave Dinner. So, sadly, I'm going to have to restart because I had already started with save, but the video, I think, might have corrupted. So I'm going to have to start a new file. So if I am not going like, whoa, and that is so cool to stuff, it's just because, like, I have played this before, and it's kind of upsetting in a way. So, yeah. Let's do this. Let's go. Alright, so I'm in. I'm flying down. Hey, wait a minute. Okay, good. I was about to be like, wait, why am I not? Oh, I do not remember that. That's already open. So I already know a way to get them. I already know of the way to get the first one of my first microwave dinners. I don't know if maybe that rat cage that I saw that's like near this area has one too, but there's a rat cage one, and I think it might have one. What I need to do is I just literally need to find as many what was that? I need to find as many microwave dinners, and actually no, I need to find as many chicken. You need to find as much chicken as you can. So let's go. This game is really fun, so props to the creator for this. Like, obviously, no, the creator did not go, hey, you should play my game. I literally just found this game and decided to play it. So props to the creator for making such a cool game. Also, so here is some of the stuff I know about microwave dinner. There's a bunch of different ways you can get chicken. I don't know all of them, but some of the ways you can get chicken, aka the money in this, is the stuff you need to unlock different areas to get the microwave dinners, is to basically, like, obviously, I just learned one new right there. Just run over stars, the weird stars things on the ground, and sometimes they're in boxes, but I think that's only in like the other levels. And then I'll show you in a second. Yes, Alright, so what I want to do is oh, dang it. Yes, I'm not that good at this game. So you can hover. No, Alright, so, dude, I swear, I'm gonna be in the middle of recording this and see that the recording finished or like came back or something like that. So, and then look, so I want to go like that, and then right back here there is something right there, and I just got like 50 something, I don't know. Dang it, oh my gosh, I'm so slow ball. Let's go, hover. Beep. I know. Alright, rolling is probably the best way to get around until you can find this Junkbot guy. No, not the guy from Roblox. There's a guy named Junkbot. I don't know if it's based on the Roblox guy. But so basically what you need to do is you just need to find a whole bunch of, I think. Oh, it's not there, I don't think. Oh, okay, never mind. It's not there. You need to find a bunch of treasure chests. Thank you. You just need to find a bunch of treasure chests, and it should have a bunch of junk in it. I think this is the junk. I don't know if maybe it's like related to something else. Yo, wait, there's something right there. There's something 100% right there. So how do we get over there? Ooh, there's a ticket. Ow. There's a ticket. There was a rat one that I was going to go to. I was about to go to in my old one. Oh, apparently the lights give you chicken too. No, dang it. Of course now that's not gonna work. Oh, there's something up there. Dang it, I can't jump up there. Dang it. What? No, I was up there though. Dang it. Okay, I'm actually getting a little frustrated. There is something up there and I want to... Dang it, I need to like be quick enough where I can jump off and then like just immediately hover to keep all my air like stuff from in the air. Oh, that doesn't even... Bro, how come some of these leaves are ones that you can go on and then others aren't? Dude, come on! Oh my god, how am I supposed to do that? Yes, I'm seriously getting mad at a freaking Roblox game about you and where you're a microwave. That was it, right? Wow, that was freaking it. Just 80, only 87. Chicken. Track goal. Lighthouse is officially what I want to go for. I really just want to find like saves and stuff, because saves give you the most. But then again, I actually might just go ahead and get 100 and then go to the rat one. Because probably has the same amount. Wait, this is a way to get me. Yeah. Just look around and see what's like what type of puzzles I have in here. And then the next video will be titled like rat sewers, there's microwave dinner, or like whatever it is. So yeah. So after I do this little introduction, alright, so I think basically it's just you gotta look for cheese. That's kind of the only puzzle here, I guess. And once I spot my, like, the first way to get into this. I don't know if I was supposed to. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it here. I found the cheese and, yeah. So, bye guys.